Welcome to another video. So this is a very huge box, like literally so huge. But it's very light. I'm very excited to open this because wow, I've been waiting for this for so long. So this is how big it is. That's how big it is. So big. My. But I'm gonna open it. It's gonna be a very quick unboxing because it's just one item, but it's huge. So I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Wow. What I'm seeing, there's a lot of bubble wraps in there. I can show you in a different perspective. So it looks like. Okay. Wow. You see it? You see the color right here? You see the... Oh, you see it? Oh. So, let's see. It's very huge because I've seen pictures of it already from some armies that purchased it. You know how crazy this whale was? You heard of the chaos of how people were trying to get this online on Weaver stuff, and it kept selling out in like what? Every 1 minute? A minute or something, or less than a minute it sold out. The first round pre-order I couldn't get it because it sold out in like, by the time I got onto the website, like what? A few minutes late, and it's already sold out. People were saying, oh my gosh, you know, it's already sold out, you know? Wow. This is what it looks like, the box. Okay. TinyTan. It's the whale from the, you know, the video, the animation video, the story. Okay, let me try and get this out of the box. So, are you ready to see the whole view of it? Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Oh my god, look at this, how cute it is. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Sorry, my reflection of my shirt. But it's so cute. This is what it looks like. TinyTan plush whale. TinyTan logo. Wow, this is the other side. This is their tag. Wow, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. The bottom is just solid color, black. Wow, this is so cute. I think I just could keep in the box, to be honest. This is so cute. Wow, that is the cutest thing. Wow. Wow, look at that. I have no words. Whoa. I have no words. Speechless of how cute it is. Oh my gosh. Look at the tail, everything. Oh my gosh. Hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing. It's waddling right now like this. Hope you enjoyed this cute unboxing, quick one. Hope this made your day. Please remember to like, comment, share, or subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.